I call it theater for awakening because we are inviting them to go deeper into their spirit, to bring the play to the stage and inspire the audience to reflect and see the transcendence there. I hope that the audience experiences an expansion of their spirit.
We present to you today the show that we are bringing to the youth camp by the participants from all our communities. They have been rehearsing since January. Some of the music and lyrics are by our president, Dr. Pinky Valdez, and the name of the show is My Friend. Please enjoy.
Metta is an ancient Pali word, and it means a place of loving kindness for all. It also stands for Marie Eugenie Theater of the Assumption. At Metta, we welcome those who want to perform or be involved in the arts. But our focus is on the generosity and loving kindness that your gift brings to others. Our focus is in the heart. By sharing your gift, you get healed. That by giving generously to others, you find happiness. Many students come to Metta and they don't know they're talented. They just have a hunch, a subtle inclination in their heart that they would like to do this. They would like to sing, they would like to dance, they would like to act. As Marie Eugenie said, it's important to discover the specific talents and grace of each child. We believe that that grace, that talent, is God-given, and this is the place to share it. For some students, this is the place to discover it. And over here, they get to explore it and they find out that they have a gift. Metta is a place of giving your talent. It may be that they will not be performers, but it may be that they will use performing in their careers, in their life. Our focus is transformative education, that the spirit evolves with the body, that they are connected. Metta is not just the show and the production, but that Metta is our way, Metta is our process, that as we teach, we give loving kindness. The emphasis is in creating something that has spirit and that the spirit transcends the moment. I think the most important thing about Metta is spirit of the heart and heart space. Metta is an ancient Pali word which means loving kindness for all. So to have the Metta spirit means I have loving kindness for you and for all.
Everything I am and everything I see, everything I hope and everything I dream, everything I feel and everything I be, I look deep down and feel all the blessings. Everything I am and everything I see, everything I hope and everything I dream, everything I feel and everything I be, I'm grateful for it all. It's amazing. Everything I am and everything I see, everything I hope and everything I dream, everything I feel and everything I be, I look deep down and feel all the blessings. Everything I am and everything I see, everything I hope and everything I dream, everything I feel and everything I be, I'm grateful for it all. It's amazing. exist, the small things that are bliss, the gift to realize that everything is a gift.